In this video, you will learn how to prepare artwork for making a 58mm button badge using canva.com. This tutorial will be using a free account in canva.com. So go ahead and sign up a free account if you don't have one. Let's begin. Start by creating a design with dimension 70mm by 70mm, which includes the bleed area for a 58mm button badge artwork. If you are making badge of other sizes, like 32mm, 44mm or 75mm, please refer to the link listed below for the dimension of canvas space. Insert the first element by searching for dash circle. Scroll till you see a circle in dash line. Click once. Resize this circle to 58mm diameter in size. Position it to the center of the workspace and lock it. Next, search for a nice photo that you like to use as background. Click once to insert the photo. Resize and position it to your liking. Right-click and select Send to Back. When this photo is sized bigger than the canvas size, it will snap as the background image. You can double-click it to resize or reposition it. You will not be able to size it smaller than the canvas after it is snapped on. In order to do that, select it, right-click and pick Detach Image from Background. It will be detached as an inserted photo, and you can resize and position again. Let's undo the detachment. Now, you can insert a tagline to your design. Click Text. Scroll through the font combinations and pick your liking. Click once. You can change the text, the font, the size, rotate it or play around with other effects. Position it to fit into your design. When you are happy with the design, it is time to download it for print. Before you download, unlock the dash circle and resize it to 70mm diameter. This will be the cutting circle when printed out. Click Download in the right of the top menu. Select PNG file type and click Download. Save it in your drive. Give your design a name. To print multiple copies of this downloaded artwork on an A4 or letter size printer, we need to lay out them out using Microsoft PowerPoint or Google Slide. Here is how it can be done in Google Slide for an A4 normal printer. You need to resize the PNG file to exact 7 by 7 centimeters. Ctrl V to paste multiple copies. You are now ready to print them to your printer.